I'm Jim Pfander, General Manager, President of the Akron RubberDucks. We're here at Canal Park in downtown Akron, right on Main Street. In minor league baseball, we wear a lot of hats, and so there's always something going on, whether it's raining outside and we're running out pulling the tarp, or fireworks displays, or whether you've got enough hot dogs to cook for the fans. When we have a great relationship with Jani-King, it really takes that weight right off your shoulders. You don't have to worry about making sure the ballpark is clean. You can kind of check that box every time you think about, hey, are we ready to open the gates? We know at Jani-King, we're always ready to open the gates. Jani-King is responsible for the entire seating bowl. So we have 6,000 seats in the seating bowl, 7,600 total seats here in the ballpark. We play 70 home games between April and September, and every night they're here cleaning the ballpark, making sure that whenever a fan comes to the ballpark, they've got that great opening day crisp experience at every game. I think Jani-King really takes the cleanliness of the ballpark to the next level. Our target demographics are moms 25 to 49. We know they're the decision makers in the family. We know they're the ones who say, hey, if they come to a dirty ballpark or they come to a dirty place, they're not going to want to come back. So we want to make sure that we've got a clean, crisp ballpark every day of the year, so we can impress those moms and we can impress everybody who comes in and just has an enjoyable day at the ballpark. Jani-King has got such a great reputation of making sure that everything they touch sparkles. We wanted to bring that here to Canal Park. It was an easy decision. I've been working with Joe Carolla over at Jani-King of Cleveland for the last 13 years, and he and his staff have done an amazing job making sure the ballpark is always show ready every time we open the gates. I would absolutely recommend Jani-King for any cleaning services that any business would have. They do a great job here at the ballpark. Their work speaks for itself. You come to a RubberDucks game, you see a great atmosphere, you see a clean ballpark, your business can look just like that.